So the finishing touch to any decomposed granite or even gravel landscape should be the pre-emergent. It's the last thing that's to be done. And the pre-emergent in this case is a granular material. Again, the XL. It's represented by these little orange flakes on the ground. The chemical is coated onto this carrier, and then the material is broadcasted with a hand spreader or a walk behind spreader throughout the landscape. In this case, it's been broadcasted out to cover the decomposed granite and go a little bit beyond the fence line. It'd be interesting to see what kind of control we get from the surfland and the XL pre-emergent against the grasses here. It should provide really good control, but in a situation like this, it may be necessary to come back and go over it with some Ronstar. Back when I used to do pest management for large landscape businesses, it was a common practice that in many landscapes near wild areas like this, it'd have to use both XL and Ronstar to get an effective treatment. And again, here's a XL pre-emergent down to the ground. This by itself will not work. What's needed now is a nice rainfall. Half inch would be really good. Then the material will dissolve into the ground and set up the chemical control. This is a very safe, very effective product to use, and any responsible landscape management person and landscape contractor would be putting down either Ronstar or XL, or in extreme cases both, to preserve the investment that is being made in the landscape. I'm not going to say how much is being spent here, but it's a considerable sum, and it would be a complete waste of money if a pre-emergent wasn't used to prevent all of the wild oats and other grasses from germinating in this landscape.